Have you ever been overwhelmed by the sheer volume of legal documents that flood your practice? Is your team devoting too much time to repetitive tasks such as drafting and reviewing, rather than focusing on high-value work? Welcome to Generative AI for Legal Document Management. Streamline, simplify, and power up your legal workflow. I'm Pavel Milnicek, and I will show you how AI can change the way you handle legal documents. Consider a mid-sized law firm drowning in paperwork. 50 attorneys spend 20 hours per week managing documents, costing the firm $500,000 in lost billable hours each year. Consider how AI can significantly reduce that time while improving accuracy and efficiency. This course will teach you how to accomplish that. You will learn how to use AI tools to automate tasks such as drafting, reviewing, and organizing legal documents, improving accuracy, reducing errors, and streamlining workflow. Whether you're an attorney, paralegal, or a legal operations manager, you will learn how to implement AI-driven solutions right away. We'll look at real-world examples such as how Allen & Overy used AI to revolutionize contract analysis and how Baker McKenzie saved 90% of their document drafting time by integrating AI. These firms did more than just save time, they transformed the way they provide legal services. By the end of this course, you will have the knowledge and tools to optimize document management with AI. You will understand how to set up the AI for drafting, streamline review processes, and ensure compliance, all while freeing up time to focus on providing excellent legal services. Let us use AI to revolutionize your legal document management system. Stay competitive, work smarter, and join me for this transformative course.